Hello and welcome to this new video about the Nature project. Today we will talk about the Encyclopedia. In order to open it, you can find it here in the main menu, it's this icon, or you can also find it in-game, but we will see that in a further video. Let's start the Encyclopedia. In Nature, the Encyclopedia is a little book, as you can see here, that you can browse either by clicking on the index and selecting a page, or by clicking on next and back, or by using this bar here at the bottom to display quickly all the pages. The book starts with a presentation of the different biomes and which animals are actually living on the biome. If I click here on the different links, I can go directly to the right page showing the animal. But before that, I can have a nice little 3D scene showing what the biome is going to look like in the game. And if I want to have a better experience, I can click on the eye icon here and then on the 4-arrow icon, and I can move around with my keyboard and my mouse inside this scene to have a better look. After the biome presentation, we have a presentation of all the different buildings in the game, grouped by categories. Again, if I click on one specific building, I can directly jump to it. Here is the presentation of detailed buildings, and as you can see, each of the buildings has a bit of text and a table presenting how much does it cost to build them and then to maintain them in-game. After looking through all the buildings, we can have a look at the different animals, where they are presented with a little text, and again we can have a look on how the model looks like in-game. So that's it for the Nature Encyclopedia. I hope you will like it, and see you in the next video.